Before performing the new configuration, clear the original detection configuration in the device. Ensure initialization status. Enter Settings wizard. Select Detection Mode PA. Enter Workpiece module. Set workpiece height such as 20 mm. Set the type of weld butt, fillet, etc. Fill in the relevant parameters such as groove type and groove angle. Select the workpiece material type such as carbon steel, stainless steel, etc. Into Probe Wedge module, enter the probe library to select the corresponding model, such as DP25L32, or custom parameters. Select the corresponding wedge like SDPR N55S and confirm the parameters. Enter the Focus Rule module. Scan Mode Selection Scan. Focus Depth Recommendation set to 1.5 to 2 times the thickness of the workpiece. Spindle Angle Range recommended as wedge angle 正负15度. Step Bias, adjust according to the left simulation diagram. Ensure that the second wave of the acoustic beam covers the entire weld zone. Sweep Bias, distance from wedge front to weld center. Enter Scan module. Mainly select the type and mode of scanning. Input encoder resolution, manual input or subsequent calibration possible. Set the scan length, for example 300 mm. Choose a suitable view layout to facilitate subsequent data acquisition. Enter Calibration module. Wedge calibration. Connect the probe and the wedge. Keep the wedge suspended and free of oil stains on the surface, etc. Adjusting gate ranges and thresholds. Ensure that all VPA echoes in the wedge echo pass through the gate. Tap calibration automatically identify the first array element height. Tap Accept. Velocity calibration. If the material velocity is unknown, select Velocity calibration. The echo type is changed to radius and the input radius 1 and radius 2. Adjust sampling range and gain. Move the probe left and right to find the two location points where the amplitude of the echo is the largest and comparable. Adjust the gate to box the first and second echoes respectively. Tap Get Location 1, Get Location 2. Click Calibration to get the calibration value. Complete the velocity calibration. TCG calibration. Gate mode selected as straight line depth. Set reference hole depth. Recommended selection. Minimum value 1 times the plate thickness. Maximum value 2 times the plate thickness. For example, choose 3 points, 10 mm, 30 mm, and 40 mm as examples. Tap Preset Hole Depth. Select or add the hole of the corresponding depth. Tracking mode can be selected to high wave or specify, which can rule out clutter interference. First point making. Move the probe left and right above the 10 mm hole and find the hole echo. Move the probe left and right. During the production process, the gain value can be adjusted. Let its maximum amplitude be in the range of 40% to 60%. Clear envelope. Ensure that each VPA value is the maximum amplitude position. Increases the point and verifies ensures that the echo reaches 80% amplitude. If the amplitude does not match, it can be corrected and re-verified. The remaining points are made in a consistent manner. Click Accept after all the holes are finished to complete the TCG calibration. Encoder calibration if resolution is unknown. Set a target length, for example 300 mm. The probe starts from the starting point. Click Reset. Push the scanner to the target length. Tap Calibration. Get the resolution value. Click Accept Calibration. The sampling range can then be adjusted. The sampling range needs to ensure that the secondary wave is fully visible. Then the gate setting is performed. Gate Start. Covering the area of the root of the primary wave. The gate endpoint is adjusted to the second wave full coverage position, including secondary wave reflection path. Enter Standard module. One test criterion can be selected. The sensitivity gain and the coupling compensation gain are adjusted according to the actual condition of the workpiece. Increased 6 dB coupling compensation as scanning sensitivity. Once the settings are complete, tap Finish to confirm the detection configuration. Entering the scanning phase. Install probe to scanner. Place the probe position according to the step offset. Click the Reset button to prepare to start scanning. Move the scanner evenly in the scanning direction. The scan is over, click the Freeze button, and view the current data. After confirming that it is correct, click the Save shortcut key. Select Save File tab. Save this configuration, data, screenshots, etc.